Hi, it's Candyland. Oh, it's a lot of candy all the time. We got some Jolly Ranchers today. Who's a fan of Jolly Rancher? Can you say on the comments? Yeah, let me know. Oh, a lot of candy. Let's see what's inside of this. Whoa! It looks good. I never knew this was like this. This little packs. Look at that. Oh, let's destroy this. Come on, let's get it done. Let's get the business going. Oh, let's get the flow going. Cherry, let's see. Let me taste that one. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, man. I have a light bulb that just popped. It's all good. We're gonna finish the video. Ooh, a little bit less light, but oh, look at this one. You still can see? Can you still see that? Sour Patch. Oh, oh yeah. Ooh, nice. Oh, let's taste that. Oh. Okay. Sour. A little bit sour. Let's see if I can still open this one. I like the Sour Patch one. Let's see what the Jolly Rancher. Oh, so hard. I can see my teeth on there. It's too hot for me. I can't chew on hot candy. Gobstopper. Yes, I got it. Oh, all the colors. Yum. I got some purple. Can you see that? Yeah. Got some red. Got some green. Right here. I got some orange. And what else? Some yellow. Okay, let's taste the fun. Oh, so hard. I'm about to break my teeth. Sorry. I can't taste that one. It's so hard. I don't want to break my teeth tonight. I still gotta do a lot more Candyland. A lot more videos. And I'm gonna taste the red hot. Oh, this is going to be a challenge. Cinnamon flavored candy. It's supposed to be spicy, I think. Oh, look at the flames. Oh. Alright, let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna taste a few. Take this. So red. Okay. Am I gonna transform into a monster right now? Let's see. Yeah. It's very spicy. Okay, let's do the juicy fruits. You know how cinnamon tastes? Just like that. Oh, I got some nice ones. Look. Ooh. Oh, wow. These are good. They look good. Look at that. I got a fish. What, a fishy is gonna swim in the candy. Ooh. Bye-bye, fish. Okay, let me see the yellow one. Let me try it. Ooh, the spicy one is in my mouth. Burning. Ooh, I'm in flames. Ooh. Okay, the yellow one. Oh. So good. Oh, but the spiciness is taking over in the mouth. Okay, let's see the green one, Jolly Rancher. No, let's see the big one. Gummies. I like the gummies better than the hard ones. It was horrible. Yeah, let's see that. Gummies. Nice. A lot of candy. Oh, it's such a mess. Oh, goodness. Nice yellow ones. Ooh, so yummy. Delicious. What a nasty episode. Oh, like the video and comment below, please. That will help me out. And subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.